Hi friends, here's my alphabet book and there's a spot to write your name if you're ready to do that. And inside here is the letter A. A is for anchor and apple. Here's the word anchor, apple. Here's our uppercase and our lowercase. And there's a spot here for writing the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. And it gives you the direction of how you should be doing it with arrows. So maybe sit down with an adult to work on this book. So there we have A, and B is for bear and B, uppercase and lowercase, and C, cat and cup. And in this packet is all the letters all the way to letter, all the way through. I'm just kind of skipping a few pages. What's that last letter of the alphabet? Do you remember? Here's U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z is for zipper and zebra. Z, Z. So this is the whole alphabet book. Please do not do it in one sitting. Have fun with it and look around your house and find letters that start with these letters of the alphabet. For example, M. Find something in your house that has an M. Find something that has an L. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.